Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on Audi headlight washers. To activate them, first ensure your low beam headlights are switched on. Next, make sure your windshield wipers are actively operating. Then, simply pull the windshield washer stalk towards you and hold it for approximately 1 second. This specific sequence is the only way to engage the high-pressure headlight cleaning system, ensuring optimal visibility during your drives. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. Understanding the conditions for activation is crucial. The headlight washers will only operate when your low beam headlights are actively on. Additionally, the windshield wipers must be engaged and working. A sustained pull of the washer stalk, holding it for about 1 second, is required to trigger the spray. This intelligent design prevents accidental activation, helping to conserve your washer fluid and ensuring the system only cleans when truly needed for visibility. Once activated, the system sprays high-pressure fluid directly onto your headlight lenses. This powerful burst effectively removes dirt and grime. The system is designed to activate intelligently, typically engaging every 5th or 10th windshield wash cycle. This measured frequency ensures your headlights remain clean without overusing washer fluid. The actual spray duration is quite brief, usually lasting less than 1 second, providing an efficient and quick cleaning action. To ensure your Audi's headlight washer system always performs optimally, regular maintenance is key. Always check and refill your washer fluid reservoir, especially before long journeys. Using a high-quality washer fluid, particularly one designed for freezing temperatures, is highly recommended. Also, periodically inspect the headlight washer nozzles to ensure they are clear of any debris that could obstruct the spray. For specific details tailored to your vehicle, always consult your Audi owner's manual.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.